If your Apple TV isn't working as expected, then try following these simple tips to get it working just as good as new. Number 1. Restarting your remote control. To restart your remote control, grab your remote control. This works on the newer version of the Apple TV remote control, and the older version you click and hold the screen button and the minus button and hold those down for around about 10 seconds. So hold them down, then release, and then wait for the notification in the top right hand corner on your Apple TV to say remote disconnected. The remote will now try and reconnect once you start clicking buttons on the remote control, and it's reconnected. If your remote still isn't working as expected, try pairing your remote to your Apple TV again. Make sure the remote is around 7.5 centimeters from your television. Click the up button and the back button and continue to hold those until you see a message on the television saying that the remote has been disconnected. The TV remote should now be paired again with your Apple TV, allowing you to control everything. And if a remote control's still not working, then you can always try charging it for about 30 minutes with the Apple iPad or iPhone connector.